Alright, here's my beautiful baby. Hopefully you can see my face. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start tearing this bee apart. There's a lot of burnt up stuff on here, as you guys can see. The engine is very black. Looks like crap, honestly. So we're going to start tearing stuff apart and clean it up a little bit so we can, you know, see what the extent of the damage is. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm going to start with get the turbo off first. I'm pretty sure that's the last bolt holding it down also. Let's see. It's hella rusty, so. There you go. Turbo is off. You can see, it's still spinning though. This will end up being for sale after we probably get it rebalanced and, you know, refinished and all that good stuff. So turbo's out. There we go. Headers off, baby. Let's go! Alternator off. Mark, what is this, the AC condenser? Is this the AC condenser?
No, it's a compressor.
Or compressor?
Yeah. Yeah, we have guns. We get all that.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm trying to work on my forearms. But my dad used to always tell me, work smarter, not harder. I wish to take his advice. It's all starting to make sense. I think this thing's a tensioner.
Yeah.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the timing belt cover. So I'm gonna get all this extra junk out of the way first. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the oil filler literally burnt and melted over, and the oil cap is stuck right there right now. So get all that garbage off. Trash. So we're gonna just try and take all these off and see where it leads us. There it is, guys. All melted. It used to say STI. Oil cap. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to take off the pulley for the crankshaft and then get the rest of this timing belt cover off. And then try and maybe clean up the rest of this motor, because most of the externals that were on fire is almost all out of here. There's still a lot of stuff that I need to chip away at, but we're making progress. You know, it was just in the engine bay earlier today. We pulled it out, so let's continue. Hey, whenever you're done with that, I have a quick question for you. So when I'm turning it, the wheels moving.
Do it again.
Okay. Alright, so we just got the crankshaft pulley off. We're gonna take off the rest of this timing belt cover and then just expose the rest of her. Go. Boom. Man, this belt is all jacked up, but nice and burnt. You should say Subaru right there. Let's get this belt off.